Hey there, Franklin families. I just wanted to record a tutorial for how to upload to Google Classroom or to Google Drive using your cell phone. It's pretty simple. The two things that you will need to have installed on your phone are Google Drive and Google Classroom. So the reason I have you uploading on to Google Drive is because there is a possibility that there will be a virtual art show in the spring. And if that is to happen, it would be helpful for you to already have all of your photos in your Google Drive so that you can submit them on the slideshow or however it's being done, and you don't have to go searching for those photos again. So though it is not mandatory to use Google Drive, I highly suggest it because it will make your life a lot easier. So here I am on my device. Let's pretend that I've already taken my picture. I'm going to go to Google Drive and I'm going to sign in as whatever student you are submitting for. So if you have two students, you might have to switch back and forth between, but I'm going to be using Miss Jennifer Bookshelf, who is our fake student account. Then down here in the corner, it is a little plus sign. You're going to click that plus and there's an option to upload. Find the photos that you want to upload. So I'm going to do this one. Oops. You can actually select more than one at a time. I didn't do that, so I'm gonna go back. But it's pretty simple to select however many you want to upload. So I'm just gonna do these two, and then it's a little bit of a waiting game. You're gonna wanna wait for the Wi-Fi, and it sometimes does take a little bit longer to upload to your drive, but then it becomes a lot quicker once you are in Google Classroom. Awesome. While you're waiting, you can actually create a folder by clicking the plus and creating an art folder where then you can select your photos, touch these three dots in the top corner, select move, and then select the folder you want to move it into and click move, and now those items are now in this folder. So you can actually put all of the photos that you're taking in this folder and then you have it later when you need it. Now that I've uploaded into Google Drive, it's going to be really simple to upload it into the assignment in Google Classroom. So you're going to go to the Google Classroom app, and again, you want to log in as your student. So this is logged in as me, so I'm going to change it to Jennifer Bookshelf. And Jennifer Bookshelf is in one of every grade, so I'm just going to click first grade. You want to find your assignment that you are uploading to. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to click the first assignment. You're going to find your assignment, and if you scroll down, you're going to see your work, add private comment, but you'll see that there's no attachment already attached. So if you click this arrow, you can add an attachment. Now, because I've already uploaded that photo into Google Drive, I would click Drive. But if I haven't uploaded it into Google Drive, I can actually just upload the file here, or I can even take the photo from this menu, which is pretty cool. Using your Google Drive will be a lot faster in terms of uploading, and it might take a little bit longer for it to load if you were to upload it from your phone or take a photo. Once you've put in your attachment, you can always add a private comment to tell me about it. I drew a surfing bunny. Okay, then you want to send your comment. And finally, once you have your attachment here, and you might have more than one, that is when you're gonna hit turn in. I'm gonna ask, do you wanna turn in your work? Yes, turn in your work. Now I can see that you have submitted a photo and you have a comment and you're good to go. If you forgot the photo, I will just send it right back to you with a 0. So if you see that it hasn't been submitted, maybe take a look at it and figure out why. If you're still having issues uploading photos, please, please, please reach out to me, because this is how I am holding your student accountable for doing the work. Hope this was helpful. Bye.